block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the police can't blame me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9. Get up.
Hi there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here or if you haven't done it already, please make sure you click on that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to walk you guys through how I achieve my everyday makeup look. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright you guys, first I started off with my eyebrows. I typically do my eyebrows first just because it's a lot easier for me to do and then just kind of go from there. So I've already kind of shaded them in very ugly, as you can see, with a regular pencil, and now I'm just going in with some concealer. I think that's LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. I'll link everything that I used for this makeup look in the description box down below. So I go in and I just kind of clean up the eyebrows with the concealer, top and bottom, making sure they are even. What did they say back in the day? Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Just trying to get them as close as possible to, you know, twins in this instance. So I just go in, making sure that they're even. Next up, I go in with my Mercier Hydrating Primer. I've been using this primer for a long time and it's just kind of been the best one for my skin. I've tried some of like the matte primers and they just dry me out and have me looking very ghostly. So I think that this has just been the best one for me. So I moisturize. Actually, I put on my primer after just because it makes my eyebrows very greasy if I prime first. So next up, I'm going in with the Fitme Maybelline foundation in the shades 360. I use both the matte and the dewy foundations, just because the matte is too matte and sometimes the dewy is too dewy. So I go in with both and then just kind of sparingly apply the two and then just blend them out from there. So I'm blending down the neck too as well, just to ensure that there's a seamless transition to where you just don't want to see where your foundation stops. So making sure I also go back into the hairline too as well. Down the neck again, like I had mentioned, just for a nice, even, kind of airbrush seamless look. I also do the eyelids just to erase any harsh lines from the concealer when I was doing my eyebrows too as well. Next up, I spray with this hydrating mist. I'll also link that down below just to kind of keep my face hydrated as I apply the makeup as well. I go back in with my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn in the corners of the eye, both the inner and the outer, as well as the forehead. And the chin. Next up, I get a damp beauty blender and just kind of blend it in again. We're not going for harsh lines. This is just an everyday makeup look. So just something that's very natural, a little understated, but still letting y'all know I'm that girl, okay? I didn't apply concealer directly to the nose. Again, like I said, this is an everyday makeup look. Hey, turn up, girl. Yes. Next up, I am going in with the Sasha setting powder in the color Buttercup, I think. And then I'm using the flat end for the outer corner of my eyes and the flat end of the beauty blender for my forehead and chin as well. I must have been listening to that Gunna while I was so turned up. What are some of y'all favorite songs on that Gunna album? Y'all already know 25K with Lil Baby. I think at this point I couldn't really tell if that was the light or I had done something incorrect. So forgive me for looking a little crazy. Now I'm going in on the inner corner of my eye with the other side of the beauty blender, just gently pressing the setting powder in. Again, this is an everyday look. Don't want to look overly cakey. Yes. Those are my Miss A lashes. Y'all, those lashes are $1. If you don't have a Miss A, you missing out. Now I'm just brushing away any excess powder, just to avoid, again, like harsh flashbacks when I'm taking pictures, or any just harsh lines from the setting powder, just giving me a nice natural look. I'm going in with the Dior primer for the mascara, and then the Dior mascara just for the bottom lash, giving them a little oomph, a little length. Next up, I'm going in with this MAC pigment and just going in the inner corners of my eye. The highlight that I use on my face, it's a little too bronzy for the inner corner of my eye, so that's why I use that loose pigment instead. Next up, I'm just highlighting the nose bridge, the Cupid's bow, and the cheekbones with this ColourPop highlighter. And also the chin. And then to set the look, I'm going in with my MAC Fix-It setting spray. For the lip, I'm just going to do something very neutral, just very casual. Going in with a dark brown lip liner, lining both the top and bottom lip. I don't overline because I feel like I look like a clown, so. And then that's the Buxom, I think I'm saying that incorrectly, but whatever. Lip plumping lip gloss. Y'all know I don't have a top lip. And then I'm going in with my Dior Stellar gloss over that too as well. And this is it. This is the finished look. Yes, girl. Ooh. All right, you guys. So this is the finished look. I am in love. All right, you guys, go ahead and leave in the comments, what are some of your makeup favorites, your everyday go-to makeup looks, like must-haves? Go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.